Hey guys, Judd here with Asphalt Kingdom. Look, measuring a parking lot for as long as I can remember was one of those parts of the job that just ate up your day. You'd be out there with a wheel, you'd be walking around the lot trying to measure, you'd have your notebook in your back pocket, you'd be sweating bullets, you're trying to get every single detail while you're out in the lot. Curbs, islands, catch basins, parking lines, all of it had to be measured, or you'd risk messing up your quote. And you know what happens then? If you actually underbid, you lose money. And if you overbid, you lose the job. That's the reality of it. But today here, you don't have to go through all of that. With AK-Dash's AI Takeoff, you can measure entire parking lots in just minutes, literally minutes, and still keep 98% accuracy. That means you can rely on the numbers and you can quote faster and with total confidence as well. Here's what makes this so powerful for your business. The images it uses are regularly updated so that you're not guessing if something actually has changed in the lot or if a new curb was put in, for example. You've got the most current aerial data feeding straight into your estimates and assessments so that there's no surprises when you show up to do the work. And you can break a job down into phases, which is super huge for you as well. Let's say that you're sealing or patching a parking lot or a massive retail lot. Let's say you might do one day, day 2, day 3, each with its own crew plan, its own equipment and materials. With AI takeoffs, you can actually map that out right from your computer, way before you even roll a truck onto the property. And the best part of this, all those measurements that you capture along the way go straight into your AK-Dash proposal system. That means that you can actually build branded, ready to sign quote with your pricing and your logo on it without having to retype or re-enter anything. Think about how much powerful that is. Think about how much time you're saving right there alone. You know, in this business, it's all about speed and accuracy. I've been in the industry 25 years, so I know all about it. Your customers don't want to wait days for a quote, and you don't want to stand in a parking lot for hours in the sun measuring it. AI Takeoff gives you back that time so that you can focus on what actually moves the needle for you, which is closing deals, growing your business, and serving your customers the best way that you can. That's what it's all about. This industry is evolving and technology is letting us do more and even faster and with fewer mistakes. I've seen contractors double or even triple their bid output just by automating the measuring part of their business. And your pipeline, activating that at high levels is so important. So if you're ready to stop burning hours with a measuring wheel and you want to win more jobs, go ahead and book a free AI Takeoff demo today. You'll see exactly how it works. And I promise you, once you try it, you won't want to measure any other parking lot by hand again. Click the link and I'll see you right on the inside.